Hello everyone, let us continue with 8.1 exercise 6 sum. Here, if angle A and B are acute, so in triangle take A and B as acute and let it be right angled at C. Now given here is cos A equal to cos B, then we have to show that angle A equal to angle B. So here given we'll start with cos A equal to cos B. We know what is cos here. It is A by H adjacent by H. This cos same A by H only. Now for cos A, angle A, which is adjacent side here, AC by hypotenuse will be AB. For B, angle B, adjacent side will be BC. AB is hypotenuse. So here we have started with given cos A equal to cos B. Cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse, so both same. With respect to angle A, it is AC by AB. With respect to angle B, it will be BC by AB. So since denominator is same, we get therefore AC is equal to BC. So therefore angle A is equal to angle B. Why? Isosceles triangle property. When two sides are equal, then the base angles are also equal. So this is sixth sum. Next we will do seventh sum. Here given it is cot theta equal to 7 by 8. Cot here will be adjacent by opposite side. Theta adjacent here is 7, opposite is 8. We have to find out AC square. So we get AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So we get here AC is equal to square root of 13. So I'll repeat again. Cot theta is given as 7 by 8. Cos is A adjacent by opposite. Here in this case theta here, this is adjacent side and this is opposite side. We get BC equal to 7 and AB equal to 8. From there, according with Pythagoras theorem, we got AC equal to square root of 13. Now we have to find the value of this particular thing. So now here you can see A plus B, A minus B. This will be of the form A square minus B square. Then remember the square is on the ratio, not for the angle. Then same in denominator, 1 square minus cos square. What did we use? A plus B, A minus B equal to A square minus B square. So this will bring it here. 1 square is 1. Sin theta. Oh, we have to find out value of sin theta. Sin theta will be what? Opposite by hypotenuse. In this opposite 8 by root of 113. Cos theta is A by H. So we get here 7 by root of 113. These values we will substitute in this equation. So sin theta we got it as 8 by square root of 113. Square this because it is square, divided by 1 minus cos theta is 7 by root of 113. Square it. Here in this case it becomes 1 minus 64 by 113. Square and square root cancel. To make it convenient, I'll put 1 by 1 so that it will be easy to take LCM. 1 by 1 minus 49 by 113. Take LCM here. LCM into it will be 113. So 113 minus 64 divided by 113 whole divided by 113 minus 49 divided by 113. This and this, when you take reciprocal, it will get cancelled. So here we get 49 divided by 64. This is first part of the answer. Second part, we have to find out cot square. Cot square here. Cot square theta. Cot is already given. Cot is already given as 7 by 8. So cot theta will be 7 by 8 whole square. So it will be 49 by 64. So this is our seventh sum. Next we will be doing eighth sum. Here it is again similar. if cot A equal to 4 by 3, then we need one right triangle. So cot is adjacent by uh, opposite side. So A, we are referring with this angle A. I'll take A here, B, and then C here. So for this angle A, here we have adjacent, this is 4 units, and opposite is 3 units. We will find AC. So AC square equal to BC square plus AB square. We get AC equal to 5. Since cot A equal to adjacent by opposite 4 and 3, for A it is opposite 3, adjacent is 4. Now here look, in question we have to prove 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A equal to, we have to check whether they are equal or not. So in question the required T ratios are tan, cos and sine. So we'll find only those. Tan is opposite by adjacent, so it is 3 by 4. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse, so it is 3 by 5. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, so it is 4 by 5. Now we'll do it as we'll check out whether they are equal or not. You can first find out LHS separately and then RHS separately, or do simultaneously. Now I'll substitute here 1 minus tan, we got it as 3 by 4 whole square divided by 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. So we get here 1 minus 9 by 16 divided by 1 plus 9 by 16. Then here we will be getting, I am doing only LHS over here. So it is, if I take this as 1 by 1 again, so 16 into 16, LCM will be 16 minus 9 by 16. Then it will be 16 plus 9 by 16. So we get here 7 divided by 16, 25 by 16. So when you cancel here, take reciprocal, you get 16 get cancelled. So answer here will be 7 by 25. Which one? LHS. Now we'll find out RHS. RHS here is cos square A minus sin square A. So cos we got it as 4 by 5 whole square. Sin here is 3 by 5 whole square. So 16 by 25 minus here it is 9 by 25. So you get here 7 by 25. Therefore we say here we got LHS also as 7 by 25 and we got RHS also as 7 by 24. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. No? If you have understood the sums, please do like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.